Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So today's video ay naiiba sa mga nakasanayan nating vlogs because I am going to do an unboxing of my new to me HERMES ORAN sandals, which I bought for myself for Christmas. So yes, it's from me to me because why not? I actually have it for a bit now and I just never had a chance to open it. So, since gusto ko na talaga siyang suotin, I said to myself, kailangan ko na talagang i-push tong unboxing na to because I want to share it with you guys. So, it's in this box. And without further ado, let's unbox. I bought this one off eBay. And to be honest guys, I'm so worried kasi this is not yung normal na size na binibili ko. So, I'm normally wearing size 37 and this one is in size 37.5. So, minessage ko yung seller, sabi ko, do you think it will be like, it's a big difference yung 0.5? And sabi niya sa akin na yung 0.5 daw is more on like the width of the shoe, not the length. So, sabi ko, okay, maybe that will work for me. So, I pulled the trigger, binili ko siya. But in the back of my head, sabi ko sa sarili ko, if it's not gonna fit, alam niyo naman na mommy is into selling. So, yan din yung business ko guys, yung mag-sell. So, I have no issue na bilhin to kasi if it doesn't work for me, then I can always sell it. So, ayan, may bubble wrap si ate. And, ayan, can you see the orange box? Exciting. Okay. So, ayan, ORAN. And, yung kulay niya is Jaune Pollen. I don't know how to pronounce that, guys, in French. So, ayan. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Sana magkasya siya, guys, kasi I really want to keep it. Oh my God, I can see it now. Look! To be honest, guys, hindi ko sure kung sa kulay na to. Kasi tingnan nyo ang kulay niya. It's very bright and I know this kind of color is not for everyone. But sabi ko sa sarili ko, summer, especially ito suot ko ngayon, white maxi dress, it's gonna work perfectly. So sabi ko, I'll get it. Oh, okay. So inside the box, hintay muna tayo ng lights guys, para may thrill. So meron siyang receipt. So, nabili niya to 2019. Oh my God. 2021, 22, 23, 24. 5 years old. Oh my goodness. So, binili niya to 970 Australian dollars, guys. Because that time it was cheaper, obviously. Ngayon, it's over $1,000 now. So, ayan. That's why I am really into buying secondhand stuff. Because apart from saving money, kasi you're not paying full price, you can also help the environment. Talaga ba? So that's the receipt. And oh my God, the moment of truth. Oh my God, it looks big. So that is the ORAN sandals. In, I don't know, yellow na lang yung tawagin kulay. Nahihirapan ako mag-pronounce eh. So, ayan. So, if you can imagine, guys, this is already 5 years old. But have a look at that. Have a look at the condition of the shoes. Of course, you will see yung mga marks and all that stuff. Kasi, it's normal, wear and tear, diba? But seriously guys, try ko. I really love the color. I think I'm very happy with the color actually. The question now is it going to fit me? I am super excited to try it on. I'm scared. Kasi feeling ko hindi siya kasya. Mukhang malaki talaga siya. Anyways, tapusin ko lang kung ano yung laman. So, yung sinend niya sa akin is yung complete na set. So, nito yung box. Nandito yung kanyang dust bags. 1 each. may paribon, yung my receipt. So I'm very happy with that. I know the only difference is buying secondhand and brand new is that obviously the experience that you get when you're at the shop. And, you know, this one is already used. You know what I mean? But I seriously don't mind, guys. And we'll see kung magkasya siya. Oh my God! What do you think? Oh my goodness. Talagang meron siyang space dyan, but it's not a lot. I think I can make it work. Maligyas lang eh. Kay iluag. Luag gamay. There. Oh, diba? Looks so cute. I think I'm keeping them. Pasensya na sa aking kuko, guys. So, wala pang pedicure. So, final verdict. I am keeping it. Okay, I think it's going to work. I'd say I'll keep it for now. And later on, if ever, pag sinuot ko na kasi, doon mo na talaga make up yung mind mo kung i-keep mo ba or hindi pag nasuot mo na siya few times. Kasi I realized na ganun ako. Like, I keep the item, but then after few times na suotin ko, and then, you know, naisipan ko na it doesn't work for me. Then, ibebenta ko na siya. So yeah, but for now, I am keeping it. I'm super happy to add it to my collection, guys. I'm gonna quickly show you the little collection that I have here now. Kasi meron ako. So, ito na yung pang-apat ko na pair for Hermes ORAN sandals. And, pakita ko sa inyo yung iba. So, ito pala yung latest na na-add ko sa aking collection. Ito yung gold color na tinatawag nila. And, to be honest, gusto ko yung alam niyo yung iba yung kulay dito, yung lighter brown. Mas gusto ko yan siya kumpara dito. But I also found this on eBay for a very good price. Lahat ng mga ORAN sandals ko, they're all original, guys. And they all came with receipt. Napa-authenticate ko na sila. So, I'm confident na they're all originals. So, ayan, this one, sobrang ganda pa rin yan. I got it for a really good deal. Kaya, even though hindi ito yung hinahanap ko na merong brown dito, binili ko siya kasi, you know, very good price. And kapag natapakan ko na naman dito, hindi na makikita yung, yung kulay, diba? So, that is the one. I also have it in black. Oh my God, sobrang gamit na gamit ko na. Oh my goodness. Tingnan nyo. And laspag na laspag ko na to siya, guys. Like, this is, seriously, tingnan nyo, oh. Yung mga dito, oh. Kasi gamit na gamit ko. Ito yung sinasabi ko na kulay, guys. Nung dito dapat sa brown. But anyways, that is the third one. And then ito yung pinaka well-loved na Hermes ORAN ko. Kasi Daddy Mike bought this one for me when I was pregnant with Celine. So ito siya. Binili ko talaga ng brand new from the shop. So experience and all. But then I realized na tama na yung isa na galing sa shop. Yung mga kasunod ay okay na ako sa yung mga second hand, guys. And again, I'm in that business, guys. I'm selling second hand stuff. So, you know, even though bumibili ako ng mga bagay-bagay, I know I can dispose them kung gugustuhin ko. So, ayan siya. Ito siya, kita nyo na ang mga marks, my God. Tingnan nyo. Dinala ko to siya sa Pinas last year. And ito yung ginamit ko, umulan, umaraw, sobrang muddy sa baryo namin, guys. Ito yung suot ko, walang problema. And, yeah, it actually held up well. Tingnan nyo, nilagyan ko lang siya, hindi ko pakita yung likuran kay very nasty. Nilagyan ko ng sole. Ito hindi pa kasi bago-bago pa to. Pero itong dalawa, nilagyan ko ng sole para mag-last yung kanilang life. The Hermes ORAN sandals, they actually come in variety of materials. So, ito siya, calf skin. Kaya medyo, ayan, flexible siya, ganyan. Softer. Kumpara dito, itong bago natin is made of Epsom leather. Ayan. So, makikita nyo, mas, siya, may grain siya. Ganyan. So, mas stiffer. kumpara dito sa ano, tingnan nyo. Ayan. Na mas soft siya. And also, they come in denim, in shearling. You have a lot of options. I'm actually very happy that I ended up getting this one kasi hindi marami sa second-hand or pre-love market yung mga ganito na kasya. Tapos ito yung kulay. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know which one is your favorite. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye! Mwah.